Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art set of a butler-style beastman by Fuyodo, an icon pack of 50 unique guns by Snoophead DuckDuck, an MV and MZ plugin by Hakwan Studio that allows us to use skills at the cost of HP, items, or variables, an MV and MZ plugin by Panda that improves the random movement of events and makes it more natural and sophisticated, an MZ plugin by NZ Prism that changes the picture for an actor depending on their state or HP, and an MZ plugin by Noon that allows us to set the maximum number of items the player can carry. Next, we have an official announcement from Dejika, the overseas publisher of the RPG Maker series. Their games department is now a separate company called Komodo, and so from now on, if we are mentioning Dejika anywhere in our game credits, we have to replace it with Komodo Co. Limited. And lastly, some RTB edits of Indo Furniture and Books by Widget Kitty. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.